Welcome back, everybody, on this Friday where it's windy. We've had a few little snow flurries, and farther to the south actually was a little light snow that fell, as you can see here by looking at the clouds and the radar right in through here into Davies and Martin County. So a little bit of snow down there. But as we were talking yesterday, this pretty much went farther to the south and now is going up the east coast of the United States. Now, concerning that, let's take a look at what we have here. This is just that massive storm that we talked about at the beginning of the broadcast, which is bringing severe weather down here to the southeast and down into Florida and so on, and blizzard conditions up to Washington, D.C. And so a lot of snow involved with that up there. Very windy, quite cold, and just miserable conditions. And so they're going to be dealing with that. Not only once the storm is gone, they're still going to be dealing with that. One of the problems is when you get a very populated area like that, how do you get rid of the snow? What do you do with it? So they'll be dealing with that as well. So you can see this circulation of this center of low pressure, and see we're right here on the very, very tail end of that. And that's the reason that just brushed us. And had it changed its path a little bit, it might have brought us more snow, but it didn't. We're going to continue to have a fair amount of cloudiness through the nighttime, I believe. 28 degrees right now. Paris has 28, Olney 28, Flora 29, Effingham 28, and Vincennes 29, and Bloomington has 28 degrees. But I think the thing that you really notice today is the wind. You step outside and, I say, wow, is it windy? Well, 17 miles per hour from the northeast. A north wind in Paris at 15 miles per hour. Robinson 21 and Vincennes 23. Remember, in many cases, we do still have some snow on the ground, and the ground is quite cold. And so you're blowing this air across a cold earth to begin with. And then you have a temperature of 28 degrees. So the wind chill with the actual air temperature and the wind is 16 degrees, though it may feel colder to you because when we do wind chill, we don't calculate in the temperature of the earth radiating any sort of chill from that. So it's chilly out there. It actually feels cold. 16 degrees is the wind chill, 16 in Paris, Flora 17, Olney 15, and Linton 21. But there's good news in store because that storm system is moving off to the northeastern part of the United States. This is noon tomorrow. Maybe a cloud or two floating around, but mostly it will be clear. We'll have a partly cloudy sky tomorrow night. And then we get into the day on Sunday. And Sunday is another very nice day as well. Another system coming in as we get into Monday will warm us up a little bit, but also bring us the possibility, first of all, of some rain. So mostly cloudy, windy and cold tonight, 18 degrees for the overnight low. And then sunny and cold, but still breezy tomorrow, high tomorrow of 30 degrees, still below average. Average high is 37. And then partly cloudy, not as breezy tomorrow night. Finally, the wind will settle down, a north-northwest wind at about 6 miles per hour. And the 7-day forecast, we get up to 35 degrees on Sunday, then 40 degrees on Monday, but a chance of rain. And then Monday night into Tuesday, we could get a little wintry mix, and then that'll shift over to maybe a little light snow before it moves out of here the first part of the day on Tuesday.